Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science electricity. This is unit test paper number 6. In the previous video we have answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 5. Now let us move for unit test paper number 6. In that one the first question of unit test paper 6 is electric power is inversely proportional to resistance, voltage, current and temperature. So electrical resistance, so we will write the formula P is equal to V square by R, that is power is inversely proportional to resistance. So the right answer is option A, that is option A, resistance. Now let us move for the second question. So second question is, a cylindrical conductor of length L and uniform area of cross section A has a resistance R, another conductor of length 2L and resistance R of the same material has a area of cross section dash. As the length becomes double, the area reduces to half. Therefore, for the second question, the right option is option A, that is A by 2. Option A by 2. So area reduces to half. Then let us move for the second question, that is write the relation between resistance of the filament of a bulb, its power and constant voltage applied across it. So relation between resistance, power and voltage. So the relation is P is equal to V square divided by R. Now let us move for question number 4. The power of the lamp is 60 watt. Find the energy in joules consumed by it in 1 second. So that is power is given, P is equal to 60 watt. Then time is given as 1 second. We have to calculate the energy consumed. So E is equal to P into T. So energy is equal to power is 60 into time is 1. So energy consumed is equal to 60 joules. So E is equal to 60 joules. Now let us move for question number, that is third main, question number 5. So question number 5 is, list the disadvantage of connecting electrical appliances in series. So let us write the disadvantage. The first disadvantage is that, so if one appliance fails to work, others also affected. Then the second point, total circuit resistance. So total circuit resistance increases. This is the second disadvantage. Third disadvantage, each appliance will not get full voltage. So each appliance will not get full voltage. Then the fourth disadvantage is current will be same to each appliance. So these are the 4 disadvantages of connecting appliances in series. Now let us move for question number 6. In the question number 6 they have given, that is 3 equal resistors are connected in series and then in parallel. What will be the ratio of their change in resistance? So now let us calculate what will be the resistance. change in their resistance. That is, we have to calculate the ratio. So three resistors are there, R1, R2 and R3. So equal resistance resistor they told, that is R1 and R2 and R3. All the three are equal to R ohm. First they are connected in series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So Rs is equal to R plus R plus R. So Rs is equal to 3R ohm. This is when they are connected in series. Now when all the three are connected in parallel, 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1. R1 is R plus 1 over R2 is R plus 1 over R3 is R. So 1 over Rp is equal to, so all the denominators are same. Therefore, add the numerator 1 plus 1 divided by R, which is equal to 3 by R. Reciprocal Rp, reciprocal R by 3 ohm. So Rp is equal to 3 by R by 3 ohm. So now we have to calculate the ratio. So Rs divided by Rp is equal to, Rs is 3R divided by Rp is R by 3. So that is equal to 3R into R by 3 become 3 by R. R1s are R1s. So now remaining 3 3s are 9 divided by 1. Therefore, Rs is to Rp is equal to 9 is to 1. So like this we have to find out the ratio. Now let us move for question number 7. So in the question number 7 they have given, draw a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a cell of 1.5 volt, 10 ohm and 15 ohm resistor and a plug, all connected in series anta keliyane. So series connection annodana. So let us draw the circuit diagram for this one. So the last, that is seventh question is, so let us write the two resistors. So this is a 10 ohm resistor and this is 15 ohm resistor. Both are connected in series. So volt ammeter is connected in series. Then a cell is there. That is the voltage of the cell is 1.5 volts. One switch is connected. Then voltmeter is connected in parallel. This is ammeter, this is voltmeter. It is connected in parallel. So this is the schematic diagram of when 10 ohm and 15 ohm and battery, everything, all of them are connected in parallel. All of them is connected in series. Now let us move for 8th question. This is 4th main. So 4th main 8th question is, what is the resistance of a voltmeter? Differentiate between ammeter and voltmeter. So let us answer this question. So what is the resistance of a voltmeter? So voltmeter offers high resistance. So voltmeter will offers high resistance. Then B, differentiate between voltmeter and ammeter. So one side let us write ammeter, another side let us write voltmeter. So ammeter, so an instrument used to measure, an instrument used to measure, an instrument used to measure current. Voltmeter, an instrument used to measure voltage. This is the first difference. Second one, ammeter, it is connected in series, always connected in series. Ammeter is always connected in series. Voltmeter, it is always connected in parallel. Always connected in parallel. Then the third difference is it it offers low resistance. So ammeter offers low resistance and voltmeter it offers high resistance. Ammeter offers low resistance and voltmeter offers high resistance. So now let us move for question number 9. In the question number 9 they have given what is resistivity. The following table gives the resistivity of three samples A, B and C. Their resistivity is given. Resistivity of A is this much, B is this much and C is this much. Which of them is suitable for heating element of electrical appliances and why? First let us answer what is resistivity. Then among these three samples which will be suitable for making heating elements and why. So let us answer that question now. So what is resistivity? So resistivity is defined as the resistance of a material, the value of resistance of a material, the value of resistance of a material in a particular dimension, the value of resistance of a material in a particular dimension. In that one, B question is there. Among A, B and C, which sample can be used? So sample C can be used for making heating elements. Can be used for making heating elements because it has high resistivity and high melting point. It has high resistivity and high melting point. Now let us move for fifth main, that is last question number 10. In the question number 10 they have given define electrical energy. First question, B. Two bulbs A and B are rated as 90 watt 120 volts and 60 watt 120 volts respectively. They are connected in parallel across a 120 volt source. Find the current in each bulb. Which bulb will consume more energy? Since they are connected in parallel, current will be divided. Since the current will be divided, let us calculate what is the current that flows through bulb A and what is the current that flows through bulb B. And we have to decide which consumes more energy. So by seeing this one only we can tell, since its power is more, it consumes more energy. So let us calculate this one now. So what is define electrical energy? So electrical energy is the product of electric energy is the product of power and time. Product of power and time is called electric energy. E is equal to P into T. Now two bulbs are there. So one is bulb A and another one is bulb B. Power of the bulb A is 90 watt. Power of the bulb B is 60 watt. Voltage is 120 volts. Because since they are connected in parallel, so voltage will be same. It will be 120 volts. Now calculate the current. So I is equal to P by V. I is equal to P is 90 divided by 120. So that is 0 0 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So I is equal to, which is equal to 3 by 4 is 0.75 ampere. So I is equal to P by V. So I is equal to P andre 60, V andre 120. So 1s are 2s is equal to 1 by 2. So I is equal to 0.5 ampere. Therefore bulb A, since its power is more, so bulb A consumes more energy. So like this we have to answer these questions. By this we have successfully answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 6. By this all the unit test paper of electricity it has been completed. So in the next video let us see one more chapter. Till then, thank you very much. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much.